Many months later.
Today we are going to talk about a little class bike which is famous in the World Superbike Championship and is still dominating the Indian markets from the 2016. Has the KRT edition. Can you guess which bike is it?
Look at this, bro. It's been 1 year. Only the trailer has been released. Where's the video?
When is the original video coming?
I don't know. We're still waiting for that.
What a wonderful morning it is as we get to review the Kawasaki ZX10R, aka the Sinister. Such a wonderful piece of machine. The Kawasaki ZX10R has been dominating the World Superbike Championship from 2012. In 2012, it secured the second place. In 2013, the first. 2014, second. And in 2015, it had secured the Riders Championship and the Manufacturing Championship. And after that, this beautiful piece of machine was made. This was the first done with ride-by-wire throttle. And the vehicle is very mean and very powerful and is powered with 200 horsepower for 13,000 RPM and is 998 cc. Such a beautiful piece of machine.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap.
All this success has been direct impact on the Kawasaki street products. The winning has made the Kawasaki to feed the technology to Kawasaki Heavy Industries, and it has made a mean machine 2016 ZX10R for better handling, improved lap timings and the lot of technologies stored in the.
And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
Now we are going to meet the proud owner of this Sinister. So how do you feel owning this mean piece of machine?
It feels a privilege actually to own a Kawasaki machine actually, and by far it's the best user friendly bike in India right now which is available. And when I bought this 2016 KRT edition bike, it was CBU right now, so I'm feeling lucky.
So how do you feel owning this mean machine for the past 3 years, and now what are the upgrades you are planning to get or have you got right now till now?
See, when it comes to Kawasaki, I feel they have equipped with a lot of safety features, which is quick shifter as standard and electronic dampers as standard, and even 3 modes of KTRC, which is Kawasaki Traction Racing Control. So I feel it's good actually when you are having a stock bike.
So any upgrades regarding to the weight? Have you done any changes?
Yes, I have done lot of changes actually. Regarding the weight, you know, it's 200 plus kgs and it finds very difficult to ride in this road conditions. As you know, India is, you know, it's very challenging to ride in this road. So I have upgraded pipes which is from Austin Racing. It's a slip-on pipe and which eliminated cat and stock pipe and it reduced 4 kilos. Then I upgraded carbon fiber parts which you know helps when you are going for track. And there are a lot of changes with the safety. It's like frame sliders, spools, titanium bolts and everything.
So I have noticed there are Samco pipes installed in the bike. Does it help anyway?
Yes, it helps actually because when you see the Samco pipes is when you look it has a purpose actually. It has longer durability, so I've installed that Samco pipe actually.
Wow, the vehicle is loaded with lot of features and even Vitesh has put major upgrades in the bike. So can we see how it is ridden or meant to be ridden?
Let me gear up first.
2016 model is designed to deliver race-winning performance by utilizing the proven technology that propelled the Kawasaki racing team KRT to the worldwide domains. This new bike is the best platform for riders looking to set records on track as well as attaining the highest level of sport bike enjoyment on the road. The new Ninja ZX10R ABS motorcycle takes state-of-art mechanical design with very latest rider electronics suite. The result is ultimate superbike with the mind-bending performance of a more powerful 998cc 4-cylinder engine on track as well as legendary Kawasaki reliability both on and off the track. The 2016 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R ABS is the highest performing, most track-focused sports bike available today for homologated racing use. It boasts world superbike derived Showa suspension and a user-friendly electronics package that is exclusive to Kawasaki and only available to Ninja ZX10R ABS riders. The electronic package is developed from Kawasaki's World Superbike experience and includes KEBC, Kawasaki Engine Braking Control, KLCS, Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, KIBS, Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Braking System, Corner Management Function, S-KTRC Sport, Kawasaki Traction Control and KQS, Kawasaki Quick Shifter. The bike winglets of today are mounted up front rather than mustaches on the front of the fairing. Their clear purpose is to provide a force that opposes front wheel lift and loss of control it causes. This is the one job for front downforce to keep the front tire from lifting and destroying the control. This compels either the rider or the anti-wheelie system to cut power. Giving the 2016 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R ABS motorcycle is a distinctive advantage over its competition is Showa Balance Free Fork, which is BFF. This is the first mass production motorcycle application for the fork that was jointly developed with Showa in the World Superbike competition. Other advantages of this system include better traction, improved low speed comfort, and increased front end feel. When combined with benefits in braking, front end feel, and comfort, riders will truly appreciate this new fork on the racetrack. A steering damper or steering stabilizer is a standard feature which comes with this bike. The steering damper or steering stabilizer is a dampening device designed to inhibit an undesirable, uncontrolled movement or oscillation of vehicle steering mechanism, a phenomenon known in motorcycling as wobble. Kandidanji chanda. ಅದು ಈ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಕರ ಪೂಜ ಈಗ ಪಂಡ್ರ ಪೂಜ
ಏರ್ ನಿಗಲು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನು
ಯಾವನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪೋನೆ What a wonderful morning it is as we get to review none other than Kawasaki ZX10R. Gumbeya prema sanjaya aa gumbelaje ee gumbelaje. Ready, take one. What a wonderful morning it is. Take two. The new Kawasaki ZX10R, the AKA manship and the vehicle. Very good in technology.
अंदारे को तुझे बैंक को बजे रहते
ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ನೋಡು ಯಾನ್ಕೇನಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್
I wanted little bit of more
So you have explained so many features for me and so many safeties which is loaded in the bike. Continue, Malpe. Beautiful.